the time to speak is over. The time for petitions is over. Corruption must be confronted physically. That's why we are here. Going to render City Hall ungovernable until such time that they act on this corruption. eThekwini suspended these people for 3 months. They knew that you can only suspend a person for 3 months. They should have charged them departmentally. Let me make an example. This guy, Sandile Ngcobo, one of the service providers, bought his wife a Jaguar. That is more than R1 million. There's enough evidence here in the municipality that says he should be charged departmentally and he can be expelled. This city administration decided not to charge them. Why? Because they are together in this corruption. Why wouldn't a municipal manager or the mayor, for that matter, start a process of taking a disciplinary process against the municipal manager who is arrested and charged, against the deputy manager of supply chain and others who are supposed to have been charged internally? They did not charge them. Now the 90 days is up. Legally, they must come back. It's because they opened an opportunity for them to come back. It's part of corruption. It's ineptitude. It's corruption. They are aiding and abetting corruption. So at some point, Kaunda, the speaker, and others must answer as to why were these people never charged. Because they were supposed to be charged within the 3 months. But they allowed the time frame to lapse so that these crooks can come back here. The bail condition says they must not come back to work. It says the municipal manager must not come back to work. He's back here from Monday, I'm told. They said Sandile Ngcobo must not come back. They are bringing him back. But they are saying, no, we are not taking him to supply chain management. We are taking him to disaster management. So they are actually aiding corruption. The bail condition says don't bring him back. You bring him back, you put him in another job. You are actually helping this criminal. But why would leaders help criminals? It's because they are beneficiaries of the corruption themselves.